I've gone through my whole life drawing from my experiences, both positive and negative. You have to believe that no matter what happens to you, that all things work together for good. I was rotten. I was a rotten kid. Hey! And my excitement came from seeing what I could get away with. And I got a milk bottle and I filled it full of white paint, turned it upside down, let it drain for a day, and it would fill the milk bottle full of wine or beer or whatever. I had a real professional criminal life as a teenager.
Come ti permetti?
And so then they started talking about what to do with me.
Fatti lavare le mani. Mamma sta cucinando.
And my brother said, well, we got to get him into some activity. And the chief said, well, we've been chasing him all over town for 3 or 4 years. I should just run him.
Come on, Louis!
If I didn't start running, I think I'd have ended up in jail. And what a transition it was. It was just unbelievable. So I quit drinking, quit smoking, and started winning races. That's one thing you learn in sports, is you don't give up. You fight to the finish. And that's important in your whole life, in the war too.
Everybody brace!
The determination to come out first, come out alive. But in prison camp, it's all a different story.
Look at me.
Because you're a victim, and they can do what they want.
Don't look at me.
That's a race for life, and you want to win, and you won't give up.
If I can take it, I can make it.
That's important for everybody in all walks of life, is to persevere. Don't give up, don't give in.